If you're a fan of action cameras, then get ready for some exciting news, because DJI is about to drop their next big thing, the DJI Osmo Action 6. While we don't have an official release date yet, rumors are flying that we'll see this new camera hit the market sometime between March and June 2025. What can we expect? Let's dive into everything we know so far. First off, let's talk about power. DJI is keeping things familiar with a 1950 mAh battery, just like its predecessor, the Action 5 Pro. This means that, while we may not see any major battery upgrades, you can expect similar performance. Whether you're shooting high-speed sports or your latest adventure, this battery should keep you going for those long recording sessions. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the leaks. Recent filings from the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, have confirmed that DJI has something big in the works. The Osmo Action 6 is on the horizon, and these filings indicate that we're getting closer to its release. In addition, we've seen filings with Switzerland's regulatory authority, SGS, hinting at a global launch in early 2025. That's right, DJI is gearing up to push this camera out to multiple markets worldwide. So, what about the features? Well, we can expect some exciting connectivity options. The Action 6 is rumored to support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, making it easier than ever to transfer your footage seamlessly. But that's not all. There's talk of two battery options, a 1770 mAh and a 1950 mAh version. This suggests DJI might release two variants, one for casual users and another for professionals who demand more power and performance. If DJI does indeed release two versions, here's how it might break down. The Pro version would likely focus on high-end features like superior image stabilization, higher video resolutions, and enhanced performance, making it perfect for content creators who need the best. On the other hand, the standard version could offer a more affordable portable option for everyday users who just want great footage without all the extra bells and whistles. Speaking of performance, the Osmo Action 5 Pro already impressed with its compact design and versatility. But there's always room for improvement. We're hoping the Action 6 will step up its game in low-light conditions. Imagine capturing breathtaking underwater footage or evening sports shots with crystal clear quality. Plus, higher resolutions and faster frame rates could be on the way, perfect for creators who want to push their content to the next level. Image stabilization is another area where DJI could make some serious improvements. The Action 5 Pro already does a great job, but with competitors like GoPro continuing to innovate, DJI will likely focus on even smoother, more reliable footage. After all, when you start capturing fast-moving action, every frame counts. Now, when can we expect all this to drop? With regulatory filings already making the rounds, it's safe to say the DJI Osmo Action 6 will likely be revealed in early 2025, with an official launch soon after. DJI has been known for rapid iteration, and after the success of the Action 5 Pro, we're confident that the Action 6 will keep raising the bar. The action camera market is heating up, and DJI is clearly ready to make its next move, with improvements in battery to beat in 2025. So, are you excited to see what DJI has in store? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.